Hello students, so today we are going to revise chapter number 7 coordinate geometry. In this chapter there are two formula or two topics were very much important. First, distance formula. Distance formula means to find the straight distance between 2 points when we have given two coordinates. Like if we understand this formula by the question, find the distance between the following pair of points. First point is 2, 3 and second point is 4, 1. So let the 2 points be P2, 3 and second point Q 4, 1. So we need to find the distance PQ. So first of all we write the formula PQ equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x1 is x coordinate of P point which is 2, y1 is y coordinate of P point which is 3, x2 is x coordinate of Q which is 4 and y2 is y coordinate of Q which is 1. So when you put these coordinates in this formula on the place of x2, x1, y2, y1 and when we do calculation we get the distance. Distance between 2 points, like this example, determine if the point 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. Collinear means in a straight line. So to prove this, first we assume that these 3 points lie on a line. So first, if the sum of the length of any two line segments is equal to the length of the third line segment, then all the 3 points are collinear. So if you mark A, B, C point on a line segment and AB plus BC equal to AC, then we can say it is collinear, otherwise not. So first we find AB, root 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square which is root 5. Then BC, root minus 2 minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square equal to root 212. CA, root minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square which is root 265. We can see here AB plus BC, if we add AB plus BC, this will not equal to the root 265 which is CA. So these 3 points are not collinear. Determine means we have to check. Next formula is section formula. Section formula is used when a line segment is given and AB starting and ending point are given and another point which is P x comma y is intersect or marked or divide the line segment in two ratios in the given ratios. Like a ratio is m1 ratio m2. Like suppose 2 ratio 3, 3 ratio 5. So m1 is first, then m2 is second. So the coordinate of the point P we have to find. So x coordinate will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. And y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So when we put the value of these, we have to understand by the question. If the midpoint formula, the coordinate of the midpoint P of the line segment joining the point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. If midpoint is given, then ratio is 1 ratio 1. So m1 m2 value is 1 1. So this will be the simplified formula. Let's take an example. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining the points 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3 ratio 1. So here 3 is m1 and 1 is m2 and the first point is 4, minus 3, this is x1 y1 and second point 8, 5, this is x2 y2. So when we put these coordinates in the formula, x equals to m1 x2 plus n1 x1 upon m1 plus m2, then it will be we will get the 7 and y in we will get 3. So 7, 3 is the desired point. Another important question is find the ratio in which the y-axis divide the line segment joining the points 5, minus 6, minus 1, 4, minus 1, minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. So on the y-axis we know that x equals to 0. So we let the point is 0, y. So let the ratio is k ratio 1. So the section formula is minus k ratio 1. So the section formula is minus k plus 5 upon k plus 1 and minus 4k minus 6 upon k plus 1. When you put the value of this in the formula, k x2 plus x1 upon k plus 1 and k y2 plus y1 upon k plus 1, and 2 points are given, then we get this point in the form of k. These points lie on the y-axis. On the y-axis x equal to 0, so we take x coordinate is 0. So minus k plus 5 upon k plus 1 equal to 0. When we solve this, we get k equals to 5. When we again put the value of k in the given points in the bracket, then we get the point 0 comma minus 13 upon 3. So this is there are basically in two topics are very much important. First is distance formula and second is direction formula. So thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.